Hello children, this is Sanal Thomas. Welcome to our grade 4 EVS class. So, can you recollect what all things we learned in the last class? We were discussing regarding the types of teeth. Okay, so what are the types of teeth you learned? Incisors, canines, molars and premolars. So these are the four different types of teeth we learned in our last class. Also, what are milk teeth and permanent teeth? What is the difference between them? So the milk teeth will fall down at the age of 6 to 7 years. So that time milk teeth will fall down and you will get a new permanent teeth. Okay. And what about the number of permanent teeth? It will be 32. Okay. So this is what we learned in our last class. So we will continue with that in today's class. Okay. Let me share my screen. I think now you can see my screen. Okay. So today we are going to learn about functions of teeth. Okay. So aim of this class is to identify the functions of different types of teeth. We already know that there are different types of teeth and what are its functions. Okay. The keywords you are going to learn are biting and chewing. Keywords biting and chewing. So here is one question. Why do we have different types of teeth? We already said we have different types of teeth. Why do we have? Because we are eating different types of food items, right? Yes, because of that we need different types of teeth for eating all the items. So that's the reason. Now you can see I already posted one apple picture is here and some carrots. So you want to eat apple and eat carrot also. So which type of teeth will you use for eating apple and carrot? Yeah, just think. Or you can try this. So you should go to the shop and buy some apples and buy some carrots. Then you eat. Then you observe which type of teeth you are using. Okay. So incisors will be using. Incisors were used to bite the apple and canines will use for biting the carrot. So this you will observe when you do this. Okay, you should eat these two, apple and carrot. Then you will find that incisors were used to bite the apple and canines for biting carrot. Then premolars and molars are used to chew the apple and carrot. So which will help to chew the apple and carrot? Premolars and molars. What are the functions of different types of teeth? Which teeth will be used to eat a piece of chicken? Can you tell me which teeth will be used to eat a piece of chicken? Yeah. So incisors helping us in biting the food, canines helping tearing the food. Okay. So for eating chicken, we will use incisors for biting that and canines for tearing that food. Then premolars and molars will help in chewing the food. So we will use canines to tear the piece of chicken before chewing it. So in the beginning, we will use canines to tear the piece of chicken before chewing it. Then Which teeth will be used to drink milk? For drinking milk, do we need the help of teeth? No, we do not need teeth for drinking milk. So now you can see one picture: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. So which type of animals will have canines? Canines, and why? Whether herbivores will have, or carnivores will have, or omnivores will have. Which type of animals? Definitely for carnivorous and omnivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous will have canines. So the animals that is carnivorous will have canines to tear the flesh of animals they eat. Got it? So what all things we learned today? We are learning about what are the functions of teeth. The different types of teeth name you already know, and what are the its function. Which type of teeth is using for biting and which is using for chewing. That's what we studied in today's class. So I will send one homework regarding this. So you have to submit that to me in the Teams app. Okay. So I will come with another video in the next class. Okay. Thank you.